Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Elden Ring. To begin your journey, select a starting class that aligns with your preferred combat style, whether it's a powerful warrior or a nimble sorcerer. Immediately after character creation, explore the initial area, Limgrave, thoroughly to gather essential items and learn basic mechanics. Prioritize investing your first few runes into Vigor to increase your health, making early encounters more manageable. Practice dodging and blocking enemy attacks to survive longer. As you venture forth, mastering combat is key. Use your spirit ashes to draw enemy attention and deal extra damage, especially in tough fights. Don't be afraid to try various weapons and spells. Each offers unique advantages. Explore every corner of the lands between, as sites of grace allow you to save progress and fast travel. Remember to talk to every non-player character you meet, as they often provide valuable information or quests. Character progression is vital for survival. Consistently upgrade your weapons at the blacksmith using smithing stones to increase your damage output. Gather runes from fallen foes to level up your stats, focusing on vigor and endurance early on. Equip talismans to gain beneficial effects, like increased damage or defense. Always manage your equip load to ensure you have a fast, effective dodge roll, which is crucial for avoiding damage. Elden Ring can be challenging, so don't hesitate to retreat from overwhelming fights and return stronger. Thoroughly explore optional dungeons and hidden paths, as they often contain crucial upgrade materials and powerful gear. If a boss proves too difficult, consider summoning other players for cooperative help. Most importantly, view every defeat as a learning opportunity, analyze enemy patterns, and adjust your strategy to overcome obstacles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.